Hello, my fellow viewers. Welcome to Bismarck Digital Satellite. Today, I'm teaching you how to install your dish or how to mount your dish without calling an installer. Yeah, without calling an installer. Only this channel or YouTube channel, you get to know better or you get to know everything about installing your dish without calling an installer. So, without wasting my time, let's start it. This is my satellite finder. It's serve as my my decoder and my satellite receiver or my decoder. Serve as my TV and my decoder. Yeah, you can get it. You can get one so that it will help you to do a lot of things. So I'll switch it on. So this is my dish. Then I'll put. Sorry, I will insert my cable in the LMB. Okay, and this is my receiver. So in my previous video, I taught how to do your basic things when you are installing satellite dish. But you don't remember be so we install it with satellite dish. Remember brain because say what is make sure say strength we never then. Ebeba. Aha. Then the quality when you get the signal, the quality will show automatically. When you get the signal, the quality will come. Sorry. So let's start how to get your signal. Please, we are doing for multi-TV signal. We are doing for multi-TV signal. And you can now quite signal now. We do up make sure say, baby audition bono. If you see east, baby audition bono. If you see east, and it's a okona who find it difficult. Say, obey whom baby east you are. When you go and you find it difficult to know whether here is east or no. Make sure that she say obi aden abobi e wo hoda. She say obi abobi wo da e hwe east. Enti baby ali pan de na ahwe no. Aha. Which me point e wo de na e wo ho. You can point yours there. Enti obi abobi wo da is so simple. Just point your dish there. So you are free to go. So with this, my dish has already pointed east. So with the dish pointed east, let's track the signal. I said we are tracking multi-TV signal. So let's start it. So sorry. Okay. So I'll move the dish slowly. The dish slowly. The dish slowly. I'll move the dish slowly. But the dish will be close to the crack. Not what the close to now the above form. Yeah. Say I map it. You move it on the top again. Then you turn it a little bit. Mr. Multi-TV 28 degrees east. So I send the above from Kakria. Yeah. And then top again. Me pacho ya make sure say be lusu we kakra. Which is again we are not miem. Top again. Then I would turn it a little bit. Then then I'll send it down. ama nti safa nkɔ nkyɛn kakra yɛ ama safa kɔ kakra yeah. Okay, then top, then we turn it a little bit. Yeah, it seems my signal is here. Yeah, I'll get my signal. My name is signal. I'm in trouble. I listen. What I was telling you. Minya signal. No one said. Minya signal. No one said in a shooting. Quite in a shooting. Wow. Aha. Today is the multi-TV signal. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. My channel can watch it was signal. I blow on face all of you. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Basement Site. Where your multi-TV signal? 28 degrees east. 28 degrees east. Enti my next video no. Make sure kwan abafa so abache sa VSN no. Baby I dey hwebo no. Enti stay tuned. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then I'll teach you how to get your VSN, how to get the sports station. Stay tuned. Goodbye.